Hello everybody, how you doing my little ketonians? Welcome back to Keto Transformation. Today, right now, I'm making keto-friendly chocolate chip cookies. So in about 2 seconds, I'm going to hop into the kitchen here and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. There's only about 7 ingredients, super low carb, high fat, amazing keto chocolate chip cookies, and they are very easy to make. There's practically no meal prep time at all, maybe 10 minutes. So yeah, I just wanted to say hi and see how everybody is doing. This COVID thing is really annoying me. I want to go back to my gym and just get back to normal, but I can't because we're in a pandemic. And how are you guys dealing with it? How's everybody doing? I've been doing some home workouts. I have like a workout stick that I showed you guys and like two 25-pound dumbbells. I mean, there's only so much you can do with that stuff. It's better than nothing, I guess. I wish I had a treadmill so bad. I can go for jogs and jogs. I can go for jogs and stuff like around the neighborhood, but I don't know. It's not the same. There's something about a treadmill, you know? Anyway, guys, I hope everyone's sticking to their diet and their weight loss goals, and I hope everybody is good. Let's hop into the kitchen and let's get started on these keto chocolate chip cookies. There you have it, keto-friendly chocolate chip cookies. So enjoy. I hope you like them. Let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, I know I keep saying I'm going to make keto chocolate cake, and I will. It's just so much work and I'm so lazy. So yeah, if you're new here, guys, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Make sure you guys check out all the links on the homepage, Instagram, Facebook, stuff like that. Let us know a bit about yourself in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.